Today we're going to be demonstrating life hacks you can do with a 2-liter bottle. You ever find watching TV all of a sudden the remote has disappeared, can't find it anywhere, underneath the cushions, behind the pillows? Don't get frustrated, try this handy life hack. Take your average size 2-liter bottle, tear off the plastic. You might find some of the plastic is a little bit stubborn. Fill it with water, all the way to the top. Then find a speaker you've got laying around. Take your razor blade, cut it. You'll need to have about 6 to 12 feet of extra speaker wire for this. Tie one end around the top of the 2-liter bottle. The other end you're going to tie around the remote. You will find that speaker wire is a little bit hard to work with, but it is super durable. Sometimes it tends to slip off the remote. If that happens, start over, tie the knot again. The knot I recommend for this is a square knot. Let's try this again. We're watching TV. Oh, where's the remote? Ah, there's our 2-liter bottle. Follow the cable. Bam! You've got your remote. For added visibility, simply remove the top, get your favorite color of food coloring, add a few drops, wait 3 to 10 minutes, place the top back on, and shake. You'll find a red bottle is surprisingly easy to spot to help you find your remote. No more lost remote in the cushions. Next, do you find it hard to put candy in your mouth while you're looking at your phone? There's a life hack that should solve your problem. Take your razor blade and cut into your emptied 2-liter bottle. You will find them a little bit flimsy and hard to work with. Don't give up, just keep cutting. And if all else fails, grab a butcher knife and saw through it. Simply remove the top. Then place your newly improvised funnel into your mouth and continue watching your phone while eating candy, shoveling it into your mouth and never missing a beat. Are you tired of your wife pranking you, making you feel bad about yourself? Delicately slice open the label, then cut right through the plastic, being careful to keep it underneath where the label will cover. Take your wife's phone that she's been looking for and slip it inside of the bottle. Then delicately close the label, add a little bit of tape for extra security. Place the lid back on and you're ready to prank your wife or significant other. You'll want to place the phone in a very visible place where your wife is always looking for her phone. Then sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor, making sure not to laugh as she realizes her phone is inside of a 2-liter bottle. Then wait for the right moment to run in and laugh in her face. You can enjoy the rest of your day knowing you finally got even. Do you have delicate hands? Are you tired of high-fiving your friends and always being in pain afterwards? Maybe I can help. Take a 2-liter bottle, cut off the bottom with your razor blade, place your hand inside and you're ready for your next high five.
Oh! Ow! Oh, life hack.
Ah, that's better. Do you have kids? Are you tired of waking up in the middle of the night, stepping on Legos, shrieking in pain? We've all been there. For this one, you're going to need 2 empty 2-liter bottles. Remove the label. Take your razor blade and with precision, cut around where the residue is left from the glue of the label. Just big enough for your foot to slip into. Repeat that step with the second bottle. Now you're ready to waltz through that dangerous trap left by your toddler. Not even feeling a thing, almost enjoying the walk. Skinny jeans might be popular, but you'll find it's actually extremely hard to fit your phone inside of, especially with a pop socket on. For this, take an empty 2-liter bottle, cut off the bottom, remove the label. Next, you'll slice 2 openings 2 to 3 inches in size parallel with each other. Place on the side of your hip and you've got a place to keep virtually any size phone. You'll find it looks great too. It'll help you get some of that much needed attention from that lady friend. With a phone holder like this, she'll find you virtually irresistible. Next, we're going to show you how to keep safe when you venture out into the city at night. Remove the label from a 2-liter bottle and fill with household sand. When you're ready to go out at night, simply place the 2-liter bottle full of sand in your purse. You can leave your home with confidence knowing you can handle any attacker that might come your way. Let's watch. You're strolling through a dark alley at night. Suddenly, from behind you...
Hey, lady! Come on, give me your purse. Give it to me.
Thank you, life hack. This next one could actually save your life one day or prevent you from going to jail. Remove the label from the 2-liter bottle, cut in half with precision quality. You'll find the edges of the 2-liter bottle are a little bit jagged, so you'll place aluminum foil on an iron, let sizzle for 5 to 30 seconds. Touch the edges, they're still a little hot, but you'll find they're extremely smooth. Next, get some more of that extra speaker wire you've got laying around. Poke a hole in both sides of the 2-liter bottle. Thread the speaker wire through both sides, and you've got your very own gas mask. So when the police raid your home, throw in the tear gas, you can have confidence knowing you've got your very own gas mask. Simply place the lid back on the 2-liter bottle, and you can rest easy knowing you're breathing in your own carbon dioxide and not tear gas.